Artificial intelligence technology does not replace human purpose or justice. Hello everyone, is you value a critical and thoughtful analysis of how technologies must serve a just society. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support is essential for spreading this message. Artificial intelligence AI is being sold to us as the answer to every economic problem, from productivity to social care, and while many, including myself, use and appreciate AI, we must be clear. Technology alone cannot replace the purpose, meaning, or justice that gives human life its meaning. The future of work is not just about being smarter or more technological, but about building fair societies. AI will not save us unless we first decide what we want to say. The illusion of automation and inequality, the myth that automation brings liberation, has been the foundation of every single industrial revolution. Prosperity has always been promised through technology, and each time the gains have been concentrated in the hands of owners, not workers. AI is repeating this pattern on a much larger and faster scale. Without the equitable redistribution of the gains, AI will generate. Automation will only guarantee one outcome, a deepening of inequality. What AI really does and does do, let us be clear about the nature of AI. What AI really does and doesn't do, let us be clear about the nature of AI. AI does not think. It predicts patterns from data created by humans. In a sense, the vast majority of AI at this moment simply guesses the next word in a sentence based on patterns it can recognize. That is all it does. AI cannot create value, it can only rearrange it by learning from the vast amount of existing data. AI tends to amplify the biases already present in the source materials, especially those skewed toward those in power. AI reflects power, but is that not challenged? It lacks the capacity to pose the awkward question that those in power would prefer we didn't raise. The productivity illusion and bad policy, or politicians hope that AI will solve the UK's economy's stagnation, is a deeply pernicious productivity illusion, often aligned with the interests of the tech leaders in California. They are wrong. Real productivity does not come just from investment in tech, but from investment in education and care. And that is where true value is at. Automation without social reform only cuts costs, but does not raise well-being. We cannot automate our way out a bad policy. We need education about all else, so we can ask the right question about what AI can do for us. The human link, work, purpose, and identity. There is a human dimension to all this that is often ignored. While we all enjoy leisure time, for the vast majority of people in the UK world provide identity, purpose, and social connection. The first question often asked at the social gathering is, what do you do? Replacing people with algorithms erodes this identity, purpose, and social connection. When human contact becomes a cost to cut, society fragments, a human economy values labor as a contribution, not merely an expense. Concentration of power and technological ethics. AI concretes power, but political, where elites can use it to advance their cause, and corporates in the hand of the companies that own our data and infrastructure. The recent attacks that brought down the down UK service like HMRC and banks. Due to a fall in Amazon, a center in America revealed how vulnerable we are to this concrete data power. By outsourcing judgment to algorithms, the government has in a way abandoned it. Democracy as accountability becomes blurred when machines decide who works, who gets spies, and who is watched, or freedom shrinks. Technology without ethics becomes tyranny by code. AI is a tool, not a master. We must be realistic. AI is here to stay, just like the internet. The key is to use AI to supplement and not replace human work. It must be a tool, not a master. We must learn to tell it what we want it to do and not let it tell us what we will do. It is critical to understand that AI is not creative. It cannot do anything that hasn't been done before, and it can never replace care, therefore. We must design policies to share productivity gains wisely, as they are based on the sum of human knowledge and do not belong to any one person. The goal is not fewer workers, but more fulfilled workers. AI will not save us. People with technology is a tool, not a substitute for justice, compassion, or judgment. The question is not what AI can do, but what kind of society we allow it to help us build. That is the question we all must answer. If you agree that justice and ethics must guide the development of AI, please leave your opinion in the comments and remember to subscribe and consider a donation if you value this work. Thank you.